Welcome to the SMG Stock Analysis Worksheet, Part 1, Company Profile. Here you will learn about your company's products and services, where it operates, and how and when it got started. Company Profile. The first rule of investing is invest in what you know. Whether that means buying stock in a company you're familiar with and really like their product or service, or whether it means getting to know an unfamiliar company. The company profile is the first step in getting to know your company. Working with page 1 of the SMG Stock Research Worksheet, begin filling in the space after the title date with today's date. After the title source, list the data source you're going to use for the worksheet. I use Morningstar.com because it has the most complete data. It does the necessary calculations for you, and it's free. Add the company name, its trading symbol, and the company's industry. If you are unsure of the industry, leave it blank for now, and I will show you a bit later where to find that information. Moving on to what does a company do? Here you will find out about the company's products and services. You may be surprised by some of the company's products or its special services. You can find narrative information about your company at Morningstar.com, the company's website, or Reuters.com. We will begin with Morningstar.com. To find information about your company at Morningstar.com, go to their home page and enter your company's ticker symbol in the quote box. On this slide, I have circled it in red to help you see it. After you have entered the ticker symbol, then click Search. On your company's opening quote page, scroll down to the section titled Company Profile. On this slide, it is circled in red. Morningstar gives little information, but it does have a direct link to the company's website. Here is also where you can find what industry your company belongs to. Note on this slide the red circled industry. A much better description of your company's business can be found at Reuters.com. Let's go there now. Now off to www.reuters.com for some detailed information about your company. On Reuters' home page, enter your company's ticker symbol as circled in red on this slide. On the opening page for your company, the narrative about your company's business is to the right of the price chart. The information is titled About in all caps. At the bottom of the text paragraph, click More for the full write-up about your company. On this slide, I have also put a red box around the section titled Competitors. You might jot down those company names for the next piece of company information you will be collecting. When you have finished reading about what your company does, list the company's products and services and its various operating divisions. Where is the company's home office? Where does the company operate? Is the company expanding? Where is it expanding? And how is it expanding? By developing new products and services, opening new outlets, buying other companies? Does the company have a niche in the market, such as name recognition like Coke and McDonald's? Does it have a popular product or service that would be difficult for another company to duplicate? Also, add any additional information you found interesting or surprising. Now you are ready to move on to our company profile question number 2. Who are its closest competitors? We will use our main data source, Morningstar.com. At Morningstar.com, enter your company's ticker symbol and press Return. On the company's opening quote page, Scroll down, and in the right column you will find the section titled Competitors. On the slide, I have circled it in red. On your worksheet, list your company's closest competitors, those that are truly close competitors. On the slide, you can see the McDonald's closest competitor is Yum Brands. The other companies do not seem to be direct competitors of McDonald's. Now, because each data source lists different competitors, we will also go to Reuters.com to see which companies they list. Go to www.reuters.com. That's REUTERS.com. Enter your company's ticker symbol in the news quote box at the top of the page. On your company's opening quote page, you will find the list of competitors in the right column as circled on this slide. On your worksheet, list the competitors that are most like your company. Now you are ready for your company profile question number 3. What is the company's history? To find your company's history, Google the company's name and choose the Wikipedia entry. Find out who, when, why, and how your company was started. What were its first products and services? What is its history of ownership? This indicates its stability, innovation, and ability to adjust to changing times. How has it grown? For example, McDonald's is the largest fast food chain. It began as a barbecue restaurant in 1940 in San Bernardino, California, by brothers Richard and Maurice McDonald. In 1948, they reorganized it as a hamburger stand using production line principles, and they were one of the first to do so. Today, McDonald's serves approximately 68 million customers each day in 119 countries through 35,000 outlets. Okay, now find out about your company. Also, check your company's official website to find the story it tells. This concludes the narrative part of becoming acquainted with your company. Now we will move on to looking at your company's financial number story. Our first and foremost concern is the company's profitability. In other words, how much money is it making? You want your company to continually to make more and more money and to be better at making money than its closest competitors.